Did you know that more than 7,000 languages are spoken around the world? From Spanish and French to Chinese and Swahili, different languages help people communicate in unique ways. But what if you see or hear a word in another language and don't know what it means? Welcome to Absolute Kids. Today, we're going to introduce you to something super cool, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a tool that can help you write and speak in different languages. It can take your words in English and transcribe them into another language in just seconds. Whether you're trying to say, hello, in French or good morning, in Spanish, ChatGPT has got you covered. Let's see how you can use ChatGPT to translate your words and sentences from English into different languages, making communication with anyone, anywhere, super easy. Step 1. Transcribing a simple word into another language. Imagine you want to say the word, hello, in French, but you're not sure how to do it. You can use ChatGPT to help. Use this prompt in ChatGPT. How do I say, hello, in French? ChatGPT will respond with. In French, you can say, hello, as bonjour. It's commonly used during the day. For a more casual greeting, you can also say, salut. Now, you know exactly how to say, hello, in French. Step 2. Transcribing a full sentence into another language. Let's say you want to tell someone, the sun is shining brightly, in Spanish, but you're not sure how to say it. You can ask ChatGPT for help again. Use this prompt in ChatGPT. How do I say, the sun is shining brightly, in Spanish? ChatGPT will respond with. In Spanish, you can say, el sol está brillando intensamente. Now, you know how to say the sentence in Spanish. Step 3. Transcribing a longer sentence into any language. Imagine you want to say, I love learning new languages because they help me understand the world, in German. You're not sure how to say it in German, so let's ask ChatGPT. Use this prompt in ChatGPT. How do I say, I love learning new languages because they help me understand the world in German? ChatGPT will respond with. In German, you can say, ich liebe es, neue Sprachen zu lernen, weil sie mir helfen, die Welt zu verstehen. Now, you can say the sentence in German too. Alright, kids, now you know how to use ChatGPT to transcribe words and sentences from English into many different languages. Anytime you want to learn how to say something in another language, just ask ChatGPT, and it'll help you translate in seconds. How cool is that? Now, here's a fun task for you. Find a sentence you'd like to say in another language. Maybe from a book, a TV show, or just something you want to learn. Type it into ChatGPT and ask, how do I say this in French? Then, share the new word or sentence you learned with a friend. Now you know how to speak like a pro in any language. Don't forget to share this awesome trick with your friends, like this video, and subscribe for more fun and helpful tips. See you next time.